If you try some bag juice, you want to go buy and walk a town and say, amen. At the sun, we can't manage.
But I know why Emily in my inbox. Emily, come out of my inbox, please. I don't have to shit pig like Uno. Please and thank you. Yeah. Leave me alone. Your friend called me. Your friend called me. She threatened me. I mean, I take it to the law. Yeah? I'm not have time for Uno. Just leave me alone.
So Emily,
leave me alone. Leave me alone. Your friend called me. Leave me alone. In the name of Jesus. Find it to the pit of hell. I'll send it back to the sender. Yeah. You send them, you're going to send them back. Whatever you want to do, whatever way you think you want to do, you think. Yeah? Whatever you want to do, you do. Yeah? You say from the 2 years, a Puss tell me what to do. Puss couldn't tell me what to do. Yeah? I asked a Puss tell me for call social service. Puss tell me for call social worker for you. No, baby girl, and my fucking kids, I'm like, when I keep them dead, and me call them for you. Not Puss. Me. Record it. Me, Ashana, call them for you. They say I have a file, so me want some money out of the local authority to give you my file. I saw the badness, girl. Yeah, girl? Girl, tell your friend to come out of my inbox, because I can't read her right. I'm dumb. So tell your friend to come out of my inbox. I can't read her right. I cannot read her right. So tell your friend, so whatever I'm text, I don't understand. I cannot read her right. Come out of my inbox, come and I go text back, because I don't text people. So come out of my inbox. Please, you call me, you check me, but take it serious, so I'm going to deal with the law. Okay, bitch? But don't with you now, bitch. What goes around comes around. You check me, you see I have my address. Baby girl, if you have it, you know, I don't find if you turn up. That's good, baby girl. I don't care. That's brilliant, you got it. But the consequence after. Remember, baby girl, I am not going to your shit pack, because I don't live over south, I live over east, bitch. So, remember, you come over south, east, you know. So, bitch, you never see me over south, you know, bitch. Yeah? So, yeah, have my address, that's fine. I can give you my own address. That's fine, you got my address. Because you're fully bad. So that's fine, baby girl. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. You got my address? That's brilliant. That sure you got my address? Are you checking me? You have to say you met the people that move me to get an extra 3-bedroom house. You know, see, oh, you lot stupid. You lot are stupid. You think forget just go on the internet and talk where you got somebody address and then they take it in a law? You crazy girl. You can record my record it. Record it, girl. But just tell Boris Johnson. No. Just tell Boris Johnson, Bell. Just tell Boris Johnson, the PCDP, to come and take the Jamaican passport and the red book and the biometric from me. Just knock my door. Ashana, give me your biometric now and put you on a fucking plane. Tell them to come do it.
Well, me I tell you now. She said, me tell her to call this and call her. But me I tell her to do now. I deal with the law upon her. Fight her back with how she a fight you.
Me can't read it now. I'm me fully Jamal. But one thing I can't tell them, I know the law. We have somebody who have IQ and you're Q up like that, and somebody who can read. I don't care who want come in. Who the cat fit, let them wear it. You can record my voice. As I want to know, when did I sign letter to police and said I'm not allowed to go on social media? I'm not a fucking 10-year-old. No police can tell me that. And when somebody can tell me that the blood clot judge, and if the judge not tell me that, me not stop on this. So how it go? Fuck you and fuck them.
All the while, them if you treat them.
Call who you want, call in my house. Cause them don't come and search yesterday and today. So call who you want, call Patilla Bell. Call a wicked woman, call you say you want to be working at the law firm. So call the law and say, take a Shauna, paperwork from her and deport her. Call it. Remember, girl.
She said the Home Secretary have my details on her desk. That's
why I'm telling her. That's why I'm telling her she needs to call them. Call them. She needs to call them on me. And tell them to come to my house and force. Tell them to come to my house and force and kick off my door and take my passport, my biometric, my red book, and my Jamaican book. Tell them to come and take it. It's already been given to me and nobody can stop that. Come, I never go to prison before. Come stop caught my pussy. You dirty piece of shit. If I burn you, you're going to start talking to your father when I have no one. My father have no. Low people business, man. Mind your own business, man. Low people business, man. Mind your own business, man. Low people business, man. Low people business, man.
They all come to UK and believe they know our law. But remember, so when immigration, they got deport her, she stay at the bathroom door and step on her own and broke her big hand. And so she never get deported. So this is one woman who need to get deported a couple of years ago, you know.
You know why she don't have that? Because her aunt mother get it, so she want everybody to get it. That's her mother-in-law said she wicked. And I mean, said, even if she said a Good Friday, she never send a good boy, yo. A beer badness to say boy, yo, for hour and a half. Because fuck your mother and good man.
Yeah, the girl like Ukku, the girl says somebody, listen to Ukku, she says somebody search and find the woman and decide that somebody, and then she after 2 days after she come and say,
and me blood clot do it. Me do it. Me do it. Me do it. Me blood clot do it. I'm gonna get a kick out of it.
Boy.
Me do it.
Well, I'm coming to say which cockroaches want to come on. I go to Emily. I don't want Emily for my page.
Emily, I can't read. Because I did die though. I'm a speech language. So please and thank you. Come out of my inbox, please and thank you. I cannot read and I cannot listen to voice note because I'm very deaf. I am disability.
No, when Emily come for you, tell Emily say Barry them refuse to argue with her why you.
I am not gonna. I'm not gonna argue with Emily because I don't know Emily from nowhere. And people
and
do
Emily
think.
One where you are. Listen, tell Emily nice and this Emily. I cannot lend you something because I have to use it for something else. I cannot lend it to you. I can't lend my breast, my mouth, I cannot do that, Emily. Fine, so if Barry now lend a female, I'm British, and the other rest of people them, I cannot lend you.
That's right.
So just tell us, please and thanks, I'm not ready.
You hear what you say? Yeah, please and thank you, I love you, but excuse me, I cannot read. I speak language, and I'm diggy that doll. Please and thank you, Emily. I don't, the text me, just text me. I cannot read.
I'm done past early, man.
Yeah, but it was easy, you know, true, we don't work fast.
Yeah. The Rasta man can't work.
Yeah.
You go for life, go home, you tell
You can dance?
Why would I tell a woman? Why would I tell a woman you make my kids them get taken away from me? Baby girl, my tell you something, baby girl. My first baby father, when I was young, he got himself in a one big situation and social service come down for me. And then that's why my mother take my picnic. Come suck up my pussy. Come suck up my pussy.
Do you understand that? We don't like it.
Wait for food and can't talk them.
I mean, like a body like this, and big shoes. Like ass.
Oh, use it when the water get out of the drum, use that.
Talking about I
Pussy,
don't
walk
have
it
a
out.
bed. I don't need a bed. I just need to put the cocky on the head. You're talking about I need a bed. I don't need a bed. I just need to put the cocky on the head. Sick. Talking about I don't have a bed. I don't need a bed, baby girl. I just need to put the cocky on the head. Yeah. I don't need a bed. I can't sleep on the floor. But when I sleep on the floor and your floor, I sleep on comfortable floor. And you can't tell me to go over or come out. My pussy can't tell me to go over there or over there. The fuck do you? You have time for no? Please and thank you. Can you come on my inbox, please? Did you guys know? And so please and thank you. I am not going to text back because I don't text people. So please and thank you. Can you X out my inbox?